KZPS, Dallas-Fort Worth.
Available everywhere on our free iHeartRadio app.
Now #1 for podcasting, classic rock, Lone Star 92.5.
An iHeartRadio station.
The city authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the following counties/areas. Timed TX, Cohen, TX, Palo Pinto, TX, Dallas, TX, beginning at 7:02 a.m. and ending at 11:01 a.m. Message from KZPS FM. The following message is transmitted at the request of sheriff's offices and emergency management agencies of the warned counties. This is an extreme danger alert from the warned counties emergency management agencies in coordination with the Texas State Division of Emergency Management and the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is not a drill. Bright pink radioactive particles have been spotted in the affected counties. Cities including Fort Worth, McKinney, Palo Pinto, and Dallas have reported bright pink radioactive particles. In addition, authorities have spotted this radioactive in the Fort Worth area. This radioactive and dangerous individual responsible for the numerous attacks on the United States in May of 2019 and April of 2020 is a white female, 19 years old, 6 feet tall, and known weight, with long black hair with glowing pink tips along with pink eyes. She has a tattoo of a pink and black radiation symbol on her left arm. She also has long pink fingernails along with razor-sharp teeth. She was last seen wearing a black scarf, a jumpsuit with black lacy sleeves and a pink belt with silk fabric, draping down from the belt and spiky pink high heels, as well as a necklace with a glowing pink diamond pendant with black diamonds surrounding it, a bracelet similar to that, and pink and black earrings. This radioactive is extremely toxic and dangerous in nature, and has the capability to kill and Radio City Western in the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in April 1986. If you spot this radioactive, you are being strongly advised to leave the area immediately at the dial 911. Repeating, this radioactive and dangerous individual responsible for the numerous attacks on the United States in May of 2019 and April of 2020 has been spotted in the Fort Worth area, and bright pink radioactive particles have been spotted. Shelter now. Evacuation orders may follow after this alert's transmission, so please stand by.